Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can record using Bandlab, so let's get right into it. You have a couple of different things you can record. You can record your vocals, and you can record a beat, you can record instruments, and you can do a lot of things using Bandlab. And as you can see, I have a blank new project, and to actually start recording, what you need to do is to add a track. If I had a track, as you can see, you can add the aforementioned things. You can, add a sampler. You can add a drum machine, guitar, bass, virtual instruments, which is a very nice addition, and a vocal track. I'll add the vocal track, and as you can see at the moment it is empty. I can turn on auto pitch if I want, but I won't be doing that. And if I want to record, all I have to do is, after I've created this track, press on the red record button, and after a delay it'll start recording my voice. And as you can see, it is recording my voice not procedurally. I forgot the word I was going to use, but yeah, you can see it's recording my voice. If I stop it, it'll start recording there, and now I can go and edit it. I'll just increase the pitch. I would play it back for you guys to hear, but I have disabled desktop audio in my recording software, so you won't hear anything. But yeah, that is pretty much how you record. You can also add a track, such as a virtual instrument. Select the instrument that you want, press record, and then you can use either your mouse or your keyboard to add keys or add notes. And as you can see, it recorded like that. And that's pretty much the gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.